I've got the July Lookfantastic beauty box to share with you, and this month it's in a bag. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Yeah, I was surprised when I received this. I thought initially, okay, don't know anything about it, haven't been sent any information about it yet. So if there's anything new to share, like there could be like a freebie if you were to subscribe next month, or a different code to share to get a bigger discount or whatever. If there's anything new, I'll pop it down in a pinned comment. Plus from the 1st onwards, I always do like a beauty box reveal, so you'll get all the information there as well. I thought this could be like a gift with purchase beauty bundle or something, but no, this is the July beauty bag. So if you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you some information about it. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then I will pop a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription that ships internationally. It costs £15 a month, contains 6 beauty products, and it has a minimum value of £50. They do also have a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I have a huge playlist going back 8 years, and I don't think I've missed a month. I'm not suggesting you go all the way back, but if you're new to Lookfantastic and you just want to see what beauty boxes are like, if you were to click on my name, it'll bring up my front YouTube page, and then I've got a few playlists then, and you can see all the fantastic ones down there. But yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. We have got Avant. This is Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream, and there's 50 mils there. So it's an illuminating day cream. Now Avant, we've seen Avant a few times in different beauty boxes. It's one of the most expensive brands that we see in the beauty boxes. Some people love their products, some don't. I do have hit and misses with them. I do really like their night cream. I think out of all the products that I've tried, their night cream is really, really nice. This feels nice and cooling actually. Can you see the difference with my other hand? Yeah, that's a nice cream. Oh, it smells fresh. It smells of shower gel. Almost marine-like. But yeah, it just smells of being in showers. Anyway, this is probably worth about £90 or something like that from memory. I'm not sure if I've tried this before. I have tried a few day creams, but I'm not sure if I've tried an illuminating one. What is it? Pro Intense. That feels quite nice on my hand anyway. Next we've got a bath and shower gel, and this is Molten Brown, and this is Orange and Bergamot. And there is 50 mils there. Love a Molten Brown shower gel. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells just of neroli. Yeah, what is it? Orange and Bergamot. Neroli is Orange Blossom. Oh, it's so, so nice. I've probably had this one before. My favourite is the Rhubarb and Rose one. Oh, I just love that. I absolutely love that. But yeah, this one's a nice one as well. Then we've got a serum. This is from This Works. Perfect Cleavage and Neck Serum. A perfect blend of marine algae, hyaluronic acid and nourishing botanical oils. And there's 20 mils there. That's one thing I don't use. I do have an LED light for this area, but as far as specific skincare for that area goes, no, I don't use anything. But because I've lost 3 stones since September, I've got a lot of saggy skin going on there. My chin doesn't seem as loose, which is really, really good. A few months ago, I was like, oh my God, my jowls really, really developing, but they seem to be almost like just getting a little bit tighter. But then I also have a Zip Halo device. It's a nano current device. I don't use it all over my face because I've got broken capillaries here, but I do use it on my jaw because I was worried about it, and on my forehead as well. With the sagginess under my neck, as soon as I rub whatever skincare I put on my face down onto my neck, it disappears and it looks great. So it's clearly when it's really dry and dehydrated, so I just need to constantly like maybe spray it or something, put moisturizers on it during the day. So yeah, so this is a serum for the neck and chest area. It feels nice anyway. Feels nice. It smells like one of their sleep sprays, I think. Ooh, what is it? It's quite fiery. And it's no extra information on the back there. A blend of marine algae, hyaluronic acid and nourishing botanical oils. That is why it smells a bit fiery then. Then going on to something which is used for tightening up your face, lymphatic drainage, depuffing, is a gua sha. And this is from Brushworks. It's a Jade Gora. No, I've already got one of these. It says, enhance your skincare routine with this beautifully crafted jade stone gua sha. Designed with smooth curved edges, it fits comfortably in your hand and glides effortlessly across the skin. Its unique shape allows for a soothing massage experience, making each use a moment of relaxation, a perfect addition to your beauty routine. So step 1, you apply your oil or serum to your face. Step 2, use a gua sha in the direction shown on the face. Can you see there? It's so small, but you can actually see where you're supposed to do it. So forehead, go up and then across above your eyebrows, move from your cheeks up and your jaw up, which I like, and then your neck up. Experience a radiant glow. Next we've got something for your hair. This is Philip Kingsley. This is a frizz fighting gloss smoothing serum, and there's 20 mils there. So let's try a little bit. Ooh, that came out really fast. It just, yeah, a big lump of it. Let's try a little bit in my hair. Have you noticed? I've gone back pure ginger. Well, can you tell my roots? I've got some hot roots going on. I've got some new hair extensions. My other ginger ones that I had are years old, so the tapes, they're tape hair extensions, so they were coming apart, so I bought new ones. These were originally about that much longer, but I decided no, the hairdresser took some off for me, but I still thought no, it's just too much. I love long hair, but it's just too much, and it's a little bit too thick because I've literally just blunt cut it last night, so I need to go in and thin out the bottom because I don't like a big thick bushy bottom. If you know what I mean. But yeah, my hair is a little bit darker in the middle here on my natural hair, but do you know what, it blends all right. Going back to the serum, I hope I haven't put too much on. It feels really silky. The serum's giving it a little bit of shine. It shouldn't be bad hair because they're literally brand new. Maybe I've tamed it a little bit, but no, it looked better once I've thinned it out because it is a little bit bushy. I think even though I just put a little blob on there, a little goes a long way. So if you've got particularly fine hair like I have naturally without the hair extensions in, it's not one I would use. But for thick wavy hair, well, it says it's frizz fighting. And then lastly, we've got Caravee. This is a hydrating cleanser. There's 20 mils there. There's no information on the back there, so it's like a little travel mini sample. I've tried this many times. My daughter's bought the full size version, and I believe they do like an acne one as well. I might be wrong about that, but I'm sure, and she's bought that one as well, so she does like this brand, so I'll probably give that to her. And there you go. Those are all the products in the July Lookfantastic beauty box. Well, it's a beauty bag. So you'll get this little bag, which is handy. Then you've got a Brushworks gua sha. Got a Molten Brown, Orange and Bergamot Shower and Bath Gel. Got Philip Kingsley, a Frizz Fighting Serum. You got Caravee Cleanser. You got a Perfect Neck and Cleavage Serum by This Works. And then a Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream from Avant. So with this being probably around, definitely over 70, I'm guessing around 90. I might be wrong, I don't know. And this is obviously full size. These 4 are samples, but I'm guessing this month's is worth over £100. But as always, I would love to know what you think. Are you excited to receive this if you are a monthly beauty box subscriber? Do you love it so much that you can subscribe on the 1st of July? Don't subscribe before that, because if you do, then you'll receive the June beauty box first. Or are you thinking, do you know what, it's not for me this month? All your opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.